In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Now by clicking on Sound at the top on the left, you can access this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing, and thanks to it, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on Vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then click on Call Vibration. Apply one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls, or select Silent. Then go back, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same but for your notifications. Now click on System Vibration and operate this slider under System Vibration Intensity to adjust it. Then click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Lastly, you can go back, click on Vibration Intensity and operate the same slider from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!